Hey family, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Chef Evelyn, and today I want to do a birthday cookware haul. So my birthday is in January, and yes, y'all know, clearly I'm a chef, blah blah blah. And typically I don't like people buying me culinary things for my birthday. If you're a foodie or a chef, you get this because typically what other people think it's cool and nice, it ain't really it. You know what I'm saying? It don't really what you want. So, cause they buy you gadgety stuff and you're more of a purist, like they be trying to buy you a nice knife and you be like, my knives cost, you know what I'm saying? So typically I prefer for people not to try to buy me something culinary focused if they're going to buy me a gift. I'm always grateful. Let me clarify. I'm always grateful, but I'd be like, why not? Can we not? So this year I was pleasantly surprised. My mother, who even as grown as I am, still gets me birthday presents. Maybe it's because she doesn't have any grandchildren, because I'm an only child, but that's neither here nor there. So let me get to the point. So she bought me some Le Creuset. And if you know anything about Le Creuset, you know they are like the Cadillac of cast irons. Like, they are luxury cast iron. They are brand name cast iron. When you think of Dutch ovens, when you think of enameled cast iron, you think Le Creuset. So I want to show you the pieces that she got me. But before I get into that, I will show you, well, maybe I'll show it at the end, but I'll show you the footage of me unwrapping it because she filmed it. She filmed me unwrapping the gifts. So I may insert that here or maybe at the end. I don't know. So let's hop right in. So she got me 4 pieces, and I haven't even had a chance to get into some of these. I haven't had a chance to use them yet, but they're so nice. She got me a 13 by 9 inch. Not a 13 by 9 inch. I think this is a 9 by 9. Is this a 9 by 9? Baker. And in the classic like red, which I'm loving. So, you can do your brownies in here. You can do your cornbread in here. You can do small casseroles in here. You can roast sweet potatoes in. You can do a lot of things in this. So, haven't had a chance to use this yet, but I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. It's got that that candy apple red on the outside, and then it's got that classic kind of taupey color on the inside that Le Creuset is known for. So that's the first piece. Let's move on to the second. Okay, so the second piece she got me is this oval casserole dish. I think it's oval casserole dish with lid. And it first of all, these things are heavy, but this is really nice. And again, this would be great for fish or like mashed potatoes. And what's great about these is they're so beautiful. And they hold heat so well. You can really go from oven to table with this. So I'm excited about this. And I love the shape of this, or if you're taking something to somebody's house, maybe you're having a potluck or you're just bringing dinner to someone, this is a great, you can just travel with this. So I love this. So the third piece she got me, which I love. This is the square casserole with lid. Oh, this thing is huge. Look at this. Okay, so again, you've got the lid. Oh, the receipt is still in here. This one is super deep though, right? So you could do a pot roast in here. You could do a whole chicken in here. You could do a lot of great things. You could do a stew in here, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I like that the lid is a little dome, so even if you were doing, let's say a large piece of meat or something like that, and you want to put the lid on it, you could do that. And again, easy to carry, and it's just me, so this is the perfect size. So whether I am just cooking for myself, or if I'm going to have people over, or if I'm going to take this to a friend or family member's house, I absolutely love this. Now, she got these at a deep discount, which I don't care. thank you. But I'm gonna see if I can find these exact pieces and link them below so you can kind of see. But this is the third piece she got me, and then she got me one more piece, which is my favorite piece, because as you see, I haven't had a chance to use these three, but the fourth piece that I'm about to show you, I've used several times. And if you follow me on Instagram and when I'm cooking in my Instagram stories, you've seen me use this already. So let me show you piece number 4. So last but certainly not least is the classic Dutch oven. Now this one I think might be like a special edition because it says Bon Appetit on it, and it's kind of got, it's heavy. That's why I'm like, ooh. It's kind of got an ombre on the actual Dutch oven and as well on the lid. It's got the gold handle, which a lot of times Le Creuset, their handle is silver. Yes, it's enameled cast iron on the inside, but I love this for soups, for stews. I recently made some quinoa in it, and because cast iron holds heat and conducts heat so well, like my quinoa came out perfect. I mean, it comes out pretty good in stainless steel too, but it's just something about it. And it's nice and hearty. Like, this is what they're known for. And this is, I think, it's not their smallest size. They do obviously have one smaller, but they have ones that are substantially larger. And so, yeah, I'm excited about this. And I think in an upcoming video, you're going to see how I have added to this collection, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, just wanted to share. I will link to these pieces in the description box, and you'll see me using these on social media. You'll see me, if you are going to be into Eat Gourmet every day, you will see me for sure using these in there. And that's it, y'all. Just wanted to come on and show my haul. Let me know in the comments below, do you cook with cast iron? And if so, do you have pieces from Le Creuset, and which ones do you enjoy the best? I am in love with Dutch ovens, and believe it or not, these are my first Le Creuset pieces, because like I said, these are investment pieces. They last a really, 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 really long time. I always joke that, like, when the world ends, cast iron will be left behind. Like, you virtually can't destroy it. So anyway, that's it, y'all. Shout out to moms for the birthday goodies, and I finally wanted to get this video up for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh my goodness, it's just like super tight. Okay. Oh, that's cute. All right. Cute paper. More paper. More paper. Is this what I think it is? Oh, I feel it. It's a Le Creuset. Oh, I'm so excited. It's the perfect size for me. Look. Oh, thanks, Mom. Oh, this is expensive.
Ooh, don't look at the tag.
No,
I forgot to.
No, I'm saying that it says Bon Appetit on it.
I know.
I haven't seen that before.
I forgot to hide the tag, so don't look at the tag.
I won't look at the tag.
Oops. That goes with that.
Are you kidding me?
I forgot. I wanted them to be coordinated.
Oh my goodness. Wait, are you sure? Oh, I can do gratins in this. Oh, this is, I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Oh, I love.
It's all Le Creuset. I try to make them coordinate. I hope they
match. It matter because Le Creuset is expensive. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm about to be cooking it up in that. I am in awe. Oh, Le Creuset. Brownies.
It's a theme, man.
Yes, the things I can bake. Okay, so now this one.
Yeah.
Cute. This has a lid to it? You're kidding me.
No, that goes to that.
Oh!
But I guess it does work on that one too, huh?
Oh, it's so deep.
Right, but I didn't know that lid would fit that one too.
Oh my God.
So you are set with Le Creuset in red for life.
I am. These things are gonna outlive me. You know that, right?
Well, you can give it to your kids.
And my grandkids, just like I have my grandmother's cast iron. I'm so excited. Thanks, Mom. This episode is brought to you by funfoodshirts.com, an online boutique that is serving up apparel for every appetite. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to tune into the Eat Out at Home podcast, an audio outlet for foodies who want to cook better, eat healthier, dine together, and enjoy gourmet every day. You can find the Eat Out at Home podcast on your favorite streaming platform. And to see what I'm cooking up in between videos, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for some delicious behind the scenes. That's all for today. I'll see you next week. Peace.